Look at that sky. What you doing, Justin? Huh? What are you two doing over there? What are you eating? They know what they're about to eat, some grapes. Look how fast she is. She's like lightning. Because you... Oh, I dropped her on your head. Oh, be nice. Be nice. Is that good, Piggy Hugh? That one right here. You like that one? It's like the hungry hippos. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, I dropped it. There you go. Come on, leave her alone. Right there. Right there. Y'all getting some, don't worry. Holy moly. It's cold out here, huh, guys? It's getting cold, getting chilly. You're gonna have to get new bedding. What do you say? Yeah? Was that it? That's all I got, buddy. All right, I gotta go to work. You guys stay warm. Bye, Justin.